is it handles its own responsibility, handles that of the federal government, even when there are no reforms made. That's what we're doing. And I think that if nobody commends us, we commend ourselves. Yes.
Looking at the state...
Well, sorry, Mark, but David, from your state, says that all those places you just talked about are actually in Umuahia and not in Aba.
How can he say they're actually in Umuahia? What is Azikwe Road? Ask him. What is Fox Road? Ask him. Where is Okigwe Road? Ask him.
How come everyone is against? How come everyone is against?
I tell you,
is against your government.
Let me tell you.
Look at this one.
These pictures.
How about this?
This.
Ngwa Market Road.
Let me tell. This is not a recent photograph.
It's not a recent
photograph? Let me tell you, it's not a recent photograph. I even came with pictorials that we made before we intervened. And these are the same thing. If you check them, you see that it's the same thing before. You will see before the intervention. It's the same thing they're showing you there. Because we have people who are against the government. And they buy
that photograph actually has the date and time it was taken.
I wouldn't know about that, but I know.
The photograph we just shown on television
I'll show you.
has a date and time it was taken.
Look at this. And let me bring, look at this.
Which one is? This is not Ngwa Agwa Road, the one we just showed. Do you have a current picture of that road?
Ngwa Road?
See that
Perhaps can we see that again?
Let's see.
That's it.
This
is Ariara, not Ngwa Road. This is Ariara. Look at the photo. This is something similar. Look at this.
Sorry, please, where's Ariara?
What?
Ariara Market Road.
Look at it. Look at it. Look. You can see something similar. Is this similar? Look at it very well.
So you say this is...
This is before the intervention. This is what it looks like now. Look at it. And that's what the chap was referring to, who was talking on Tuesday. Look at it. Look at the similarity. Just look at the span of the road and look at this. That's it. They made these photographs and kept them. After we have intervened, they refused to bring the latest position. That's what they do. Because they are political opponents. And I want to tell you, one person does those tweets. One person.
Well, someone
here,
maybe this one just came in now from Chris, and he's one of the bloggers in Nigeria, yes. CKN Nigeria, a popular one. He says, well, please, I just came back from Abia last weekend, to be specific, Umuahia, which is less than 10 minutes drive from my village in Obowo in Imo State. The city is just a glorified village. The Abia State government is doing nothing. Most of the artisans in Umuahia have relocated to my village in Obowo in Imo State. Abia is the least developed state in the whole of Southeast.
Do you have any doubt believing that these things are made up by political opponents? I also live in Umuahia because I served as a commissioner. For the first time, he is talking about Umuahia before with the past administration. I live in Umuahia. Umuahia is lit in the first place. Most of the roads in Umuahia have been dualized. I say, come. That's the only way to prove these whole things. You let your crew come. What are the major roads that make up Umuahia? Bende Road. Bende Road is dualized under this administration. The road coming into Umuahia, Obakala, is dualized as I'm talking to you. The Mission Hill coming into Umuahia from the express is dualized as I'm talking to you and lit. And lit. And in Umuahia, the same Umuahia, that's where you have the new secretariat. And I saw that guy, he was saying that the renovated place was not renovated. That's where my office was. You need to come for yourself. Please come.
Umuahia is a road leading to Absuth. Is it a federal road?
Umuahia is a road leading to Absuth. Umuahia is a road leading to Absuth. I don't have details on that. But I know that most of the strategic roads have been handled. If they are not ongoing, they've been completed.
You know, yesterday, or was it 2 days ago, when we had the gentleman who had the complaint on Abia State, he said one of the things that made him, you know, take a camera and go around on his own personal verification exercise was the list that you had. He said some of them, it's not like as if they have not been done, but the way they have been done leaves much to be desired. That's one complaint.
Quality now.
I mean, we're also talking about quality, and then, you know, the usefulness, as it were, of some of these things. They believe that, you know, that you haven't quite paid attention to the quality of some of the roads that have been completed.
Well, if they shift their criticism from not doing them at all to now poor quality, well, that's an improvement. But I want to tell you that we have a standard, and this standard answers to specification. these roads are built to standard. It's just when somebody wants to criticize you, nothing you do will please him. That's exactly what we have here. But we're not bothered by that. We're not bothered.
How are you able to sift those who have genuine complaints and criticism from those in the opposition? Because that's another complaint that they have. They say that there is no way they can raise genuine concerns without being termed members of the opposition.
Oh, yes. Some of us, I'm not serving government now. I should have been able to say something to the contrary. And I have a lot of friends also. Now, let me tell you typically, when we intervene in Ariaria, particularly Ariaria, you know Ariaria is like the microcosm of all the activities, all the trade activities that happen in Abia State. I received a lot of calls from friends who don't live in Abia, who visited, who were passing from Port Harcourt and decided to go into Ariaria because Ariaria is situated just close to the expressway leading from Port Harcourt to Enugu. They went in and they made calls and thanked us for that. And they didn't know who we were. So you find that these are people who actually appreciate when you do things good. Now, these other ones, even at that, they will recoin their criticism. They will shift away from what you've done that ought to attract their commendation and recoin it in some way. You know. So
let me bring in this one. Jerry yes. says to ask you that he was in Aba also. Yes. He says, what about Ungwa Road?
What about Ungwa Road? Ungwa Road, I'm sure, is one of those roads that are in the list. Remember that this is 2 years.
He says it's in a terrible state.
Ungwa Road is one of those that are in the list of the roads that have been done. And this is 2 years of this administration, and we've done this much. So,
Ungwa Road, yeah, what's the situation with Ungwa Road?
Ungwa Road is not in the list of those completed. The list I have here is those completed. So, let us say that Ungwa Road is one of those that is being done. Ungwa Road is one of those that is being done. Ungwa Road.
Promise says to also ask you about Ogbo Hill and Library Road. Even the government house was divided into two instead of dualization.
Divided into two instead of dualization. When do you want to dualize the road? When they want to criticize, they use all manner of... When you want to dualize the road, you cannot go destroying the buildings of both sides. You accommodate yourself with what is left available. So we say we dualize it because whatever space you have either way, you take it up, asphalt it, and then put a demarcation in between. That's what we're doing. They're not fresh roads. So you cannot say that when we have demarcated it and expanded it, that it's not dualized. Okay. That is when you do this, they go into something else. That's why I said the best way out of this is to invite your crew. Come with all your camera. All right. We sponsor it. We won't be with you. You go and see it yourself.
All right. Samson Orji, former Commissioner of Commerce in Abia State. Thank you very much indeed for coming on this morning.
You mean that it's all over so soon? I think...
we're back in just a moment.
You have to arrange something else where we have all time.